Hey, if you are wondering if you can remove this date from your home screen on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, take a look. When you are gonna click and hold it, like so, and click on the settings, you will be redirected to the home settings, and it's called at a glance. And it's already turned off, but it will still appear just over here. So there's no any option in the settings that will allow us to get rid of it. You can only go into the Google Play Store and install some third-party launchers. So we have to go here, input that phrase, launcher phrase, and you can simply test one of the launcher, for example this one. You can just simply download it and take a look if it is fine for you. Of course, it will change your home screen style, app drawer. Take a look. And now after a few seconds, when you open that launcher, we have to click let's go. And now that's how it looks. As you can see, right now we can actually get rid of this one by clicking remove, and it looks different. Yeah, definitely different, but it's some kind of the way. So maybe you will like it, maybe not, but it's worth to get this information. Let me know if you find it useful, and that will be all. Thanks for watching.